Helsinki is the vibrant capital city of Finland, situated on the southern coast of the country. Known for its modern architecture, beautiful waterfront, and rich cultural heritage, Helsinki is a destination that offers a unique blend of history, nature, and contemporary charm. One of the striking features of Helsinki is its architectural beauty. The city showcases a harmonious mix of old and new structures, reflecting its diverse history. The iconic Helsinki Cathedral, with its grand neoclassical design, stands proudly in Senate Square and serves as a symbol of the city. Another architectural gem is the Temppeliakio Church, also known as the Rock Church, carved into solid rock and featuring a unique copper dome. Helsinki's waterfront is a defining feature of the city. The city is built on a peninsula and is surrounded by the Baltic Sea, offering picturesque views and opportunities for leisurely walks along the shore. The Market Square, located by the harbor, is a bustling hub where locals and visitors can enjoy fresh produce, local crafts, and delicious food from the market stalls. For those seeking cultural experiences, Helsinki boasts a thriving arts and music scene. The city is home to numerous museums, including the Atheneum Art Museum, which houses an extensive collection of Finnish art, and the Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art, showcasing contemporary works from Finland and around the world. The Helsinki Music Center is a world-class concert hall that hosts a variety of musical performances, from classical symphonies to modern compositions. Helsinki is also known for its commitment to sustainability and green spaces. The city is adorned with numerous parks and gardens, providing a refreshing escape from the urban environment. The expansive Esplanade Park, located in the heart of the city, offers a tranquil setting for picnics and leisurely strolls. The nearby Helsinki Central Park is a vast expanse of forests, meadows, and lakes, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as jogging, cycling, and even cross-country skiing during the winter months. Food enthusiasts will find Helsinki to be a culinary delight. The city is renowned for its fresh and innovative Nordic cuisine, focusing on locally sourced ingredients and traditional flavors. From delicious seafood dishes to hearty Finnish classics, Helsinki offers a wide range of dining options to suit every palate. The city's food scene also includes vibrant food markets, trendy cafes, and Michelin-starred restaurants, ensuring that visitors can indulge in memorable gastronomic experiences. Helsinki's commitment to design and innovation is evident throughout the city. The design district is a haven for design enthusiasts, featuring boutiques, galleries, and showrooms showcasing Finnish design talent. The annual Helsinki Design Week attracts artists, designers, and visitors from around the world, celebrating creativity and innovation in various disciplines. In addition to its urban attractions, Helsinki serves as a gateway to Finland's breathtaking natural wonders. The archipelago of Helsinki comprises over 300 islands, offering opportunities for boating, island hopping, and exploring pristine nature. The nearby Nuuksio National Park provides a serene setting for hiking, camping, and immersing oneself in the tranquility of the Finnish wilderness.